असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय. Now exercise 14.1 problem number 3. Look at the question first. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowances of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowances is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency f. So given daily pocket allowances of each children in rupees. So given the table 11 to 13, 7 children are there. 13 to 15 rupees, 6 children. 15 to 17 rupees, 9 children. 17 to 19, 13 children. 19 to 21, f children. So we have to find here f value. 21 to 23, 5 children. 23 to 25, 4 children. So we have to find the f value here, given mean rupees 18 here. Okay, right. So here we have to find the f value. Okay, right. So here I am going to use direct method to find the mean. Okay, right. What is the direct method formula? X bar is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi is the formula for mean in direct method. Okay, right. So we have to find the xi here, it means class marks. Okay, so given class intervals these, and these are the frequencies. So 11 to 13 we have 7 number of children. Okay, so we have to find the class marks first. So how do we find the class marks? Class marks is equals to upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So look at here, 11 plus 13. So upper limit is 13, lower limit is 11. So upper limit plus lower limit, or we can write lower limit plus upper limit also. Okay, so it is 24 by 2, 2 ones are 2 12s are. So here it is 12. Next coming to this 13 plus 14 or 15 plus 13 plus 15 or 15 plus 13. 15 plus 13 by 2, 20, 28 by 2, 2 14s are. So here it is 14. Next 15 plus 17 by 2, or 17 plus 15 by 2. So it's nothing but 20. 20 plus 32. 32 by 2, 2 ones are 2 16s are. So it is 16. Next, so 17 plus 19. So 19 plus 17, upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So 20, 36 by 2, 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 8s are. Here it is 18. Okay, next 19 plus 21. So 21 plus 19 by 2, it is 20, 40 by 2, 20 it is. So here it is 20. Next 21 plus 23. Okay, so 23 plus 21 by 2, nothing but 44 by 2, 2 ones are 22s are. Okay, right. Next 23 plus 25. 23 plus 25 are 25 plus upper limit we have to write first. 25 plus 23 by 2, it is 20, 40, 40, 48. 48 by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fours are. So here final xi value is 24. So we got the xi values here. Now what we have to do? Fi into xi. So we have to multiply these fi values and xi values. Okay, right. Now look at the first one, 7 into 12. So 12 sevens are, it is 84. Okay, next 16, 6 into 14, 6 14s are 14 6. It is also again 84. 9 16s or 9 into 16, it becomes 144. Okay, next 13 into 18. So 13 into 18 we have to perform here. 8 3s are 24, 8 1s are 8, 9 10, again 13, 4 3, so 234. So 13 into 18 it is 234. Okay, right. Next f into 20, it becomes 20f. Next 5 into 22, so 22 into 5 it is 110. 24 into 4 it becomes, so 424 are 24, 4s are 96. Okay, right. So we got fi xi values here. Now next step, what we have to do, ma? So we have to do here sum of this. So we have to sum all these things, right? So keep it aside, this one, add the remaining ones. 6, 10, 14, so they are 12 plus 10, 22, 2 here, 2 carry, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 27 plus 8, 35, 5, 3 carry again, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 952. Is it 952? I think 752 it is. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we shall check once again. Sorry, we have to leave this. Okay, right. It becomes 752 more. So it is 3 only. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to leave this. Okay, 752. So what becomes, ma? 752 plus this 20f, it remains as it is. Okay, right. 752 plus 20f, this is the sigma fi xi. Okay, this value belongs to sigma fi xi, sum of all these. Okay, nothing but sigma fi xi. Now we have to add the frequencies also. Sigma fi is equals to, so we have to keep aside this 9, 12, 12 plus 9, 21, 21, 27, 7, 34. It is 4, 3 carry, 3 plus 1, 4. So 44, and this f is as it is, it means 44 plus f. Now we got here sigma fi xi is equals to 752 plus 20f by, sorry, and sigma fi is equals to 44 plus f. Okay, so but in the question given mean allowances, okay, daily pocket allowances given mean. So he has given mean already. How much it is? Rupees 18. Okay, so that rupees 18 is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So 18 is equals to sigma fi xi 752 plus 20f by sigma fi 44 plus f. Okay, so perform the cross multiplication. It becomes 18 into 44 plus f is equals to 752 plus 20 f. Okay, right. So I am going to erase this here. So 18 into 44 plus, so writing neatly, plus 18f is equals to 752 plus 20f as it is. Okay, right. So now 18 into 44. So 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 3, 7, again 72, 2, 9, it is 792, 792 plus 18f is equals to 752 plus 20f. So bring this 752 LHS side, 792 minus 752 is equals to 20f, bring this 18f to RHS side, right. Now what becomes 792 minus 752, it becomes 40 is equals to 20f minus 18f, 2f. So 2f equals to 40. So erase this. Next, f is equals to 40 by 2. 2 1s are 2 20s are. Now f is equals to 20. This is our required answer. We got f equals 20. Okay. So here replace the value f equals 20. So the allowance of 19 rupees to 21 rupees having the number of children how many? 20 members. Okay. Right. So 20 members having the allowances between rupees 19 to 21. Okay. Right. So here we have used to find the mean direct method. Okay. Right. Exercise 14.1, problem number 5. Look at the question. In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling oranges kept in packing baskets. These baskets contained varying number of oranges. The following was the distribution of oranges. So given number of oranges and number of baskets to keep them. So what are the class intervals? 10 to 14, 15 boxes, 15 to 19 oranges. We keep in 110 baskets, 20 to 24, 135 baskets, 25 to 29 oranges, 115 baskets, and 30 to 34, 25 baskets. So find the mean number of oranges kept in each basket. Which method of finding the mean did you choose? So here we have to find the mean number of oranges. Okay. So we have to choose one method. So here I am going to choose step deviation method to find the mean of the oranges here. Okay. Right. Here I am going to use step deviation method to find mean of oranges. Okay. Right. So what is the formula? Right. Here I am going to find mean number of oranges by using step deviation method. So what is the formula for step deviation method? AM nothing but x bar a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Here a is assumed mean. Okay, this is a, and h nothing but class size or length of class. Okay, so how we find this? So class size nothing but here the involved class intervals are inclusive classes. Okay, look at here 10 to 14, so 15 to 19. Okay, these are called inclusive classes. So they are inclusive class, that is why I am taking difference between the consecutive lower limits or consecutive upper limits. For example, if we take 19 minus 14 we got 15, sorry 19 minus 14 we get 5, 19 minus 14 we get 5, or we can take 15 minus 10 also, it is also 5 we get. Okay, so this is called consecutive lower limits difference, and here consecutive upper limits difference. Okay, so what is the class size now? Class size is 5. Okay, so h value 5, and remaining sigma fi ui and sigma fi we have to find here. So already sigma fi will get if you add this, okay, right. So class marks, so what is the class marks? xi will get lower limit plus upper limit by 2, or we take upper limit plus lower limit also, okay. So right, so look at the first one, 10 plus 14, 10 plus 14 by 2, it is 24 by 2, 2 ones are 2 12s are, okay. So what is the xi? Here it is 12. Next 15 plus 19, 15 plus 19 by 2, so what it becomes? 15 15 30, 34, 34 by 2, 2 ones are 2 17s, okay. So here it is 17. Next 20 plus 24 by 2, 44 by 2, 2 ones are 2 22s, okay. So once again we'll check 20 plus 24, 44 it is. So okay, now what becomes? 22 it is, okay, right. Next 25 plus 29 by 2, so 25 25 50, remaining 4, 54 by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 1 carry, 2 sevens are. So here it is 27 is a class mark. Remaining this one 30 plus 34, it is 30 plus 34 by 2, 64 by 2, 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 twos are, okay. So here 32 is a class marks. Now I am going to erase this. So these are the class marks we got. Now we have to assume the A. So assumed mean. So what is the highest frequency here? This is the highest frequency. That is why I am taking this is as A. So generally we take the highest frequency xi value. The highest frequency class marks is our assumed mean, okay, right. This is the A value. Now we have to find the DIs, it means deviations. So xi, so di is equals to xi minus A. So what is the xi value now? Xi is 12 minus A, it is 22. So what is the value now? It is minus 10. Write down here minus 10. Next 17 minus 22. So what is the remaining? It is 5 minus 5. Okay. Next 22 minus 22, it is 0. 22 minus 22, it is 0. Next xi minus A. Xi value is 27 minus A. A is 22. Okay. 5 is the answer. Here it is 5. Next 32 minus 22, nothing but 10, okay. So these are the deviations we got. Now what we have to do? We have to find the ui value. What is ui? Di by h, okay. H is nothing but class size, we are having it is 5. So ui is equals to di by h, okay. So di, so take this di minus 10 by h value 5. So 5 ones are 5 twos are, it is minus 2. Next minus 5 by 5, di is minus 5, h value is 5, gets cancelled, minus 1. Next 0 by 5 becomes 0. Next 5 by 5, di is also 5, h is also 5, gets cancelled, 1. Okay, right. Next 10 by 5, di is 10, h value 5, 5 ones are 5 twos are, we get here 2. Okay, right. These are the ui values. Okay, so we got ui values. Now we have to multiply this fi into ui. Okay, right. 15 into minus 2, it becomes minus 30. So these are the fi values, these are the ui values. We have to multiply fi into respective ui. So 15 into minus 2 will get minus 30. 110 into 17. So 110 into, sorry, not 17. So 110 into minus 1, it becomes minus 110. Okay, right. Next, 135 into 0, it becomes 0. So 115 into 1, you get again 115 as it is. 25 into 2, we get 50. Okay, right. So we got the fi into ui values also. So what is the formula? Sigma fi ui. Sigma fi ui means we have to add all these here. Okay, so these two becomes minus 140 and these two becomes 165. So 165 minus 140, so how much it is? 25. Okay, now sigma fi ui value is 25 and sum of these, how much it is? So 1 2 3 300 15 10 25 25 25 50 50 plus 50 400. Okay, so sigma fi is equals to 400. Sum of all frequencies 400 we got, and a value we are having 22 here and h value is 5. Substitute the values in the formula. Here it is into h. Okay, a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h is the formula, right. So I am going to substitute. So a plus x bar is equals to a is 22 plus sigma fi ui, it is 25 by sigma fi, it is 400 into h is 5. Okay, now 5 ones are 5 80s, 5 8s are 40. Okay, right. So 5 5s are 5 ones are 5 6 are. Okay, so x bar is equals to 22 plus 5 by 16. So I am going to erase this. So take the division. So 16 divided by 5. So 0.00 it is. 16 3s are 48. 2 is remainder. Take 0. 16 1s are 16. 4. Take 0. Okay. 16 2s 32. Take 8 remainder, enough for this. So x bar is equals to 22 plus 0.312. Okay, now x bar is equals to 22 plus 0.312, it's nothing but 22.312. Okay, so we can write, take up to 2 decimals only. 22.31 is the mean number of oranges. Okay, so mean number of oranges is equals to 22.31. Okay, so here we have used step division method to find the mean of the oranges. Okay, right.